Welcome to our installation guide for the Nauticam NZ2850-Z Zoom Gear for the Nikon Z24-50mm lens with Limitor Ring. This zoom gear is designed specifically for limiting the zoom range of the Nikon Z24-50mm lens to 28-50mm for use with the Nauticam WWL1B, WACP1, WACP-C, and the FCP1. To get started, you'll first want to begin by separating each of the parts in the box. You'll have a total of 3 parts: the metal zoom gear, the plastic zoom sleeve, and the limiter ring. Start by zooming the lens to the unlock position and placing the plastic zoom sleeve around the rubber zoom grip found on the lens. Examine the image here for the correct placement and alignment. You'll notice the outer lip of the plastic zoom sleeve is facing towards the lens mount, and the 28mm and 50mm markings in the lens are visible through the plastic sleeve. Next, from the front of the lens, slide on the metal zoom gear onto the plastic zoom sleeve. This will require a small degree of pressure to attach the metal zoom gear. When installed correctly, the zoom gear will be pushed all the way up until it reaches the flange or lip on the plastic zoom sleeve. And the teeth of the metal gear will be facing closest towards the front of the lens as shown here. If the metal zoom gear feels too snug, the tightness between the gear and the plastic sleeve can be adjusted by removing the rubber grips found on the zoom sleeve to create a better fit. Next, loosen the 2 Allen screws found on the limiter ring slightly, but do not remove them. Then zoom the lens to its 28mm focal length. There's a guide marker on the lens you can use as a reference. Then, starting from the rear lens mount, slide the limiter ring onto the lens and align the guide post on the limiter ring with the groove on the metal zoom gear as shown here. Both the 28mm and 50mm focal length markings in the lens should be visible. Lastly, tighten both the Allen screws in the limiter ring to secure it into place. With the zoom gear correctly attached, the final result should look like the image shown here. With the installation complete, attach the lens onto your camera Nauticam housing and perform a quick function test to ensure everything is working properly. For further information on this product, questions, or support, please contact us directly and we'll be more than happy to help.